Good morning, you guys. I just wanted to say, I wanted to jump in and tell y'all, first of all, thank y'all for so much love y'all gave me on Let Me Explain Part 1 and 2. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna try and I'm not gonna give up. Thank y'all so much for the kind words and all the nice things that y'all said. It really meant a lot to me. So many people here on my platform or not knows my dreams and my passion and how much I love what I do when it comes down to YouTube. So I just really appreciate y'all. And I know that there's one loyal subscriber, Melinda. She does comment on every last one of my videos ever since she found my channel, and she always, no matter what I post on my community tab, she comments and she likes. So that's one of my favorite loyal subscribers, and I just want to personally thank you. She's the one I got my end slogan from, because she always tells me to keep growing and keep shining. And that's what I decided to, end my videos with what she always tells me. Instead of me saying keep growing and keep shining, I tell you guys to keep shining, and I'll see y'all in the next one. So if y'all ever see a comment from Melinda, y'all show her some love, because she is a loyal subscriber. And my loyal subscribers, nothing against my new subscribers or my silent subscribers, but my loyal subscribers, I really take everything to heart when it comes to them. I take it all to heart, because they have the best interest for me. They have their heart in the right place when it comes to me. So I really appreciate everything everybody said. I did read the comments. I may not have commented on all comments, but I did. I read them, and it took me a minute to read them because of the space I'm in right now. Let's just put it like that. With the space I'm in right now, I really sometimes just gotta step back and think, and my mind is always wandering, my brain is always going. It seems like I'm nonstop at all times, and I always say I'll sleep when I die, but sometimes the worrying and the thoughts and stuff, it gets to me and it drains me. So I really appreciate what you guys said, but I really wanted to come on here to start the day off by everybody. Y'all make sure y'all tell my baby boy Cash Money happy birthday. He just turned 8 today, and he's super excited because he's 8. Like, y'all help me wish him a happy birthday. And of course, I will come back later after my day has started. We woke up hella late today. It was my fault. All of it was my fault. My phone went dead last night. I put it on a charger and I never powered it back on. So we woke up at 7:30 this morning, and it just went to shits. But I'm grateful and I'm thankful that the good Lord woke me and my children up, and my wife and my family up. I'm just so grateful. Better late than never. So y'all just help me wish him happy birthday, and I will come back later. Hey you guys, just jumping in real quick. I just got off work. I'm probably looking a tad bit cray. I didn't do anything today but put on mascara and my eyeballs. That's it. Told you guys I'm trying, but whatever. I'm gonna go home and wait on Boo Butt, my little sunshine, to get out of school. Y'all know we had a late day today, but I'm gonna figure out where he wants to go eat, because we're gonna let him pick his spot to go eat tonight. And I really want to give him a birthday gift, but I don't know which one he's gonna pick. All his gifts is up under the Christmas tree already, but I'm gonna let him pick one gift to give to him for his birthday. So I don't know which one I want to give him, but at the same time, I kind of want him to choose his own So they don't know. You don't know. And I kind of don't want to keep vlogging in the car because that's basically all y'all see me do is drive. I'm always in the car going. So I just wanted to check in with y'all because my spirits is a little, higher today or at this moment. I guess it's because it's my son's birthday. Like, my children make me so fucking happy. Even though they stress me out so bad, they're still like, they make me so happy. So, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let y'all know because, like I said, I don't want y'all to keep seeing me drive around all the time. That's all I do is drive around. That's my life right now. And I'm saying that's my life as in all I do is go to work, go home. Sports is over for the moment. We're in our break, so I'm like really, really bored. I don't really have nothing to do. And with the Mac being broke, I really don't have nothing to do. So it's like so draining. I like when I have too much to do because it keeps me busy and keeps me going. So we're gonna see what Boo Butt wants to eat when he get off, and I guess we'll vlog a little bit once we find a place to go eat and stuff. I guess I don't know what to do today. I got off work early and don't know what to do, and I said I guess I'm gonna go home and take a nap because I don't have nothing else to do. So go home and take a nap, I guess. Shit, I don't know, but yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Y'all, I got the goods. I got my baby's goods. Got shrimp, crawfish, crabs, mushrooms, potato, corn, shrimp, crawfish, crab, eggs. Yes, I got the goods. Now I'm about to take it home to my baby. It's 7:57, you guys. I'm about to take it home to my baby and let him enjoy him food. You guys, he got a lot of little birthday gifts from school and stuff like that. He had him a good day. And we're gonna just eat and then go to bed because my oldest boy is in the middle of exams and stuff, so we can't even play around. We can't even play around tonight. His birthday is in the middle of the week, so he said he wanted seafood. We got seafood. If y'all ever in the Houston, Texas area, go check out Dan's Seafood, D-A-N-S Seafood. You guys, they are very affordable. They are really good. They're very spicy. Oh, Dan's hits the spot when you're not trying to go to Lotus or King Crab or what is TT's restaurant that we went to last year for my baby's birthday? King Crab, Queen Crab, something like that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Last Vlogmas, we went to TT's restaurant. Blame It on Quay. Yeah, we went to his restaurant last year. And they were pretty good, but they were pricey. And it wasn't enough food for the amount. But it was good, and their drinks was bomb as AF. So if y'all ever looking for a seafood place, please go to Dan's Seafood in Houston, Texas. And they don't only sell boiled seafood, they serve everything else, including wings, y'all. The spot is it, and it's very affordable. But I'm telling y'all, don't miss out on Dan's if you're ever in the Houston, Texas area. But I just wanted to show you guys that I got my baby food. Everybody called him and wished him a happy birthday. Thank y'all so much for all the love that y'all shown my baby. We won't be doing a party this year. We'll be doing like a December's birthday dinner. That's what like our family been doing for the past couple of years due to everybody's birthday being damn near in the same months. So we kind of do the month's dinners or the month's birthday party. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna have seafood gumbo then. So my baby get his seafood all the way around, all the way up until Christmas. So if I don't come back, thank you guys for rocking with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. And in the words of my loyal subscriber, y'all keep on shining. And I will see y'all in the next one. Love ya. Deuces.